sixth graders. Okay, so we are going to get started on our weekly assignment for this week. So you're going to be using your sketchbook. If you don't have your sketchbook, you can just use a white drawing paper. It should be white, okay? So you need your paper, you'll need a pencil, an eraser, and a ruler if you have it, okay? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about, well, right now we're going to be talking about the element of art. Sorry, I'm trying to get my notes up here for you, or for me, so I can tell you. Oh, goodness, can't find it. Okay, so the element of art, space. So when we went over space, if you guys remember, we did a little drawing in our sketchbooks over linear perspective. So if you guys remember, it was the one where it had like the road, and then it had like a food store, market, and then like a little building. So we did something like that in your sketchbook already. So today we're going to be talking about 1 point perspective, but it looks a lot like the linear perspective, okay? Okay, so to get started, you're gonna need to make like a dot, not so much in the middle of your paper, like more to, I guess, the right. So just like a dot, maybe like right there. So not in the center, a little bit more to the left. And you're gonna make like almost like an X, okay? So from that point to the corner of your paper, make a line, okay? And then we're gonna make another line from that point to the corner of your paper, okay? Then we're gonna go up and we're gonna continue that line. Okay, and then go over here. So from that dot to the corner of your paper. Okay. So you should have something that looks like that. Okay. So now we're going to be drawing, let me move this paper really quick. Okay, we're going to be drawing some trees. Okay, so we're going to draw trees on this side, and then on this side we're going to draw buildings. Okay, so when you're drawing the trees, you're going to need to, however you want to draw your trees. So say, let me get another paper out really quick. So say you wanted to draw like your trunk and then your trees like this, you can. Or if you want to get like really detailed, you could do your trunk and then you can have like the trunk coming out, or the branches coming out like that, and then maybe like that, this, kind of connecting them, and then like adding a tree like that. That's an option. So it's up to you, however you want to do your trees. I mean, there's so many ways to do the trees. Again, it's totally up to you. Maybe you want to do something like this. And just make it look like, and then have your tree like this. So it's up to you, okay? Okay, so, all right, so first we're gonna draw the tree, but it's gonna be like a tiny one. Or first, you know what, maybe we can do this. So on the left side, and I'll move my paper so you guys can see it too, okay? So you're gonna make like a bigger tree. So you got like your trunk. And then you're gonna go all the way to the top, okay? And you're gonna make like a big tree, okay? And then again, if you wanna get like really detailed, you can. Okay, and now we're gonna make another tree in the background. So going to be like a little bit shorter. Okay, and then we want it to hit the top there, like that. And again, you're going to make your branches and everything in here, however you want to do it. Okay, see how they're getting like smaller? So another one. Something like that. Okay. We have space for another one. So now it's starting to look like you're going inward, right? Okay, so it's like tiny, then goes big. And once this whole drawing is done, then you'll see when we're talking about 1-point perspective, okay? And then I'm gonna add another tiny tree there. So it's like a road, like when you're driving, it's like closer, then it goes tinier. Looks like it's getting tinier. Okay. All right, so now on this side, we're going to be doing like buildings, okay? And then I'm also going to give you guys a reference as to different examples. But today we're going to start on the lines and the trees, and then on the left side the buildings. But down here we're going to finish that another day. Okay, so right now we're just going to focus on the trees and the buildings. Okay. All right, so the buildings, you're going to want to start on the left side. So just the same way as we made a bigger tree here, we're going to make a bigger building here. So if you want to use your ruler, you can. You don't have to. I'm just going to freehand it. So I'm going to make like a half building here, goes all the way down. So you're going to want to not cover that spot here. You want to have a line there and then go down all the way to the bottom there. Okay, and then I'm going to add some windows. Okay, just going all the way down. So just little skinny rectangles. They can all be the same size or different. Okay, I'm going to make another building. It's going to go a little bit shorter, maybe a little bit fatter, wider, sorry. Go down, okay, and then if you want it to be like 3-dimensional, you can make it like that. It's up to you, however you want to do it. So again, I'm just adding some windows. You guys can get as fancy as you want. Like I said, if you want to add it, you know, make it more 3-dimensional, you can. Just making squares to make it look like they're windows. Okay. So let's add another building, a little bit lower. Okay. And how about just like one big square in the middle, all the way down. Okay. And one more. Alright. Maybe this one has like a little door. Just adding some windows. Okay, like that. Okay. I'm just going to continue. then I'm going to add maybe some skinny ones. Skinny rectangles. Hope you guys are all doing well. Send me pictures. I'd love to see your guys' faces. And then maybe this one has like a door. Okay, so something like that. Okay. All right, so we're actually going to stop there. I don't want to do any more. We'll continue again. Hopefully I'll post something since it's Tuesday. I'll post something on Thursday, okay? And then as of right now, the due date, I'm not going to put a due date just yet because this is going to take us some time. But come Tuesday, you're going to need to have this done. So how about like part 1 of this drawing should be done by, let's see, well, it's Tuesday today. We're going to continue on Thursday. So let's try and have this drawing done by Thursday. I feel like that's not enough time for you guys. I will think about this and I'll put it on Google Classroom for you. Okay, so just today, just try to work on this right now, and then I'll decide if I'm posting something tomorrow. Maybe by next Tuesday you should have it done. I'll let you guys know on Google Classroom, okay? All right, have a great day. Bye.